Runaway Sons tour, night 1. Complete bust.
So greasy. The other night in Wisconsin, I spit a loogie up and it landed in my bangs and totally forgot about it. And so I've got loogie in my hair still 2 days later. Gross.
I'm losing weight.
Have you? Have you been losing weight?
Losing weight. I used to be like 145. Weighed myself before I left, I was like 135.
Take off the wrap.
I feel like I've let John Porter down once again. First with Cornerstone.
Plenty of cool free things to do in
And then not
Chicago.
bringing in your Rickenbacker last night.
Whoa!
I want to catch Nick's face. Nick, look over here. While you're doing it.
I used to be a soda distributor in Kansas City. I would be like, Arizona State, I love to walk.
It looked like a mix between the White House if the White House was a prison in the post-apocalyptic world. Which, who says the White House isn't a prison for every American in their souls and in their hearts? America!